Let's get buzzing.
All right, so the police have launched an investigation to determine who was the real driver of a black Mercedes motor car said to belong to West Indies cricketer, a specific one, that was spinning donuts. Donuts police, haha. At a busy intersection in Kingston late last week.
You couldn't tell
Now,
me
Assistant Commissioner.
start with Sus. All right, go.
Assistant Commissioner Bishop Dr. Gary Welsh, head of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch of the JCF, is ordering the investigation after a video emerged that suggests the West Indies cricketer Andre Russell, or McCall him name, was inside the Mercedes-Benz motor car, and that his personal assistant might not have been the man behind the wheel.
Even though the personal assistant was the one who came forward
to say that he was behind the wheel.
Right.
All right, follow me. Now, Dennis, I'm not going to try pronouncing his surname, a man claimed on Tuesday to be the driver of the vehicle that spun donuts at the intersection of Dunrobin and another avenue. He turned up at the location along with the police on Tuesday and publicly apologized. Now, you had to try to publicly apologize, but guess what? He claimed that he was the driver, but that he did not know it would become such a big issue thanks to Jamaican Twitter, of course, and social media. This was brought up and we did our own investigation.
Oh, is that
Yeah, man,
so?
I release things. Release things, make them see what I keep.
Okay.
Now, let's get straight into discussing
because I remember when the video came out, and I'm going to be very honest. So I clicked on it, I read the information, I clicked on it, I watched it for like maybe 15, 20 seconds, and I went...
I just move on with life.
Because I'm like, are you so we reach?
Yeah, it's...
Why isn't there tickets? Okay, fine, we want to... I don't want to send a particular message with an apology. Okay, but then what about the law?
Yes.
Where is the ticket? Where is the enforcing of? I don't know the backstory. I didn't follow up with what's going on because guess what? I just found it to be a bit ridiculous and almost you're the PR guy. A lot of PR for what purpose? At the end of the day, what are we trying to achieve with this?
I think a part of it was where, the Bishop and Holy Communion, I guess you wanted to send a message to say, okay, then sometimes you can teach a life lesson by doing something like this, giving a second chance and apology. But if anyone want to stop me on the highway,
I was about to say, officer.
Officer,
hold this. Officer, I'm very sorry, right? That's what happens when you drive a fast car.
Yes.
Sometimes it just, spins out of control. And officer, I'm so sorry. Yeah, make sure you record it. Make sure you record it.
Yeah, man.
And then we can post it and we don't get a ticket.
Because there's one thing, we're trying to teach somebody something, but there's also another thing with the manner. Because if you guys saw the video, the car did really, and like Dover. I like Dover when you smoke and everything, and it could have really endangered people. But I guess the only positivity I can, is there any positivity?
Yeah.
That I can pull from this is that him learned. The man admits him apologized. There's a mixed reaction because some persons are saying you can never be satisfied with something. You can never satisfy Jamaicans with a certain things because him come out and saying sorry, blah, 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 blah. It could be a life lesson. But also the amount of people will get stopped and police come and get tickets and all them stuff.
I will admit we are a culture where give us an inch or we'll take a mile.
Mile?
Right? We're going to take a few miles. I'm telling you, I feel like we're going to have some ripple effects and some memes and some jokes.
The memes them start already, man.
Yeah. There you go. It's going to be something.
We can't pull them up because we have to go to the next story. But this is a joke. All right, what else is trending?
Okay, so Barbados Prime Minister Mia Mottley and civil rights activist Sean King, some people won't get that, will receive this year's Diamond Ball Award courtesy of Rihanna's 5th annual Diamond Ball. And this ball will also feature performances from Pharrell and DJ Khaled. Oh, that's right. So the Diamond Ball is Rihanna's way of shining a light on global activism. So always admire Rihanna for going back to home. Like she always goes back to her roots. She always tries to find a way to ensure she honors her country, she honors her people. So she's done so much through the foundation. Like really big up to Rihanna and congratulations to the recipients. If you've heard the Barbados Prime Minister speak, you'd understand what we're talking about here.
I can't believe I went there, Sunny. But I think it's two
beautiful woman, though.
Yeah, I think it's two well-deserved persons. Mia is the first female prime minister of Barbados, and she has been in this thing for years. I saw a video on LinkedIn because I follow her on LinkedIn, and she was talking about where she started 30 years ago. So she just celebrated that.
Yeah.
When she just rounded up a couple people 30 years ago and saying, we're going to make we're going to make some changes in Barbados, and to see that 30 years
And
after
it's
that, she's now the
working.
first female
It's
prime minister, and it's
working.
working.
Yeah, man,
Them
it's
have like the
working.
entire seat. Interesting. And Sean King, of course, if you guys follow up with Black Twitter, Black empowerment and all of that, he is really
controversial figure
good.
though, but yes.
Controversial, but he brings everything to the spotlight.
Yeah.
Melanin
I
magic.
like him. That's right.
Yeah, man. All right. So, if you care, last week it was
What do
reported
you mean,
that
if you
Jay-Z, because you know enough people follow up with NFL and all them stuff, the Super Bowl, so everybody's still on them TV and watch. But it was announced that he was going to become a part owner of an NFL team as part of his current deal with the league. According to multiple people connected to NFL ownership and the league office, there are no plans in place for Jay-Z to become a team owner.
Right, and then even last week here on Daytime Live, we actually spoke about the fact that he's supposed to be one of the executive producers for the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
That's what the contract states. I think what happens is with social media, of course, you get a voice, and so you're able to start rumors, you're able to tell stories, and sometimes it picks up traction and it sounds like the truth. So
Yeah.
I think maybe that's what happened. Somebody started it, or somebody asked a question, and then everybody just figured he's going to be part owner of an NFL team, and then they're putting on him the pressure of, okay, well, are you going to take a knee too? Are you going to do something for Kaepernick?
Yeah.
The man is doing business.
Yeah, and it's nothing along that line. Again, social media just provides this opportunity for people to spread fake news and all that. In fact, no founder share with you about Instagram updates and private. That's what social media in a nutshell. All right.
So how you know the truth of, how you know what is true?
Because people just need to do proper research and not go ahead with everything that's
But
done.
it's so easy though that the information comes to you. Why should I now take the extra step to go research something and
Because
information
you're going
comes
to push
right
out
here?
bad things and push out things when are right.
But then that's what part of how it works. Like when you push out the bad things and I'm joking.
Yeah, because I was wondering where we're going with that one.
I'm kidding. Don't do it.
All right, on the lighter side, there's this video that has been circulating again on social media of this young lady teaching her viewers about breadfruit.
You've seen it. I haven't seen it. So I can't. I'm really excited.
All right.
Yeah.
I could see what I'm going with that video here because trust me, me shook.
I'm going to tell you exactly what I think.
Breadfruit at all different stages of ripeness. So when it's not ripe, you can steam it, you can bake it, all types of things. And you can even dehydrate it and turn it into flour. So when it's ripe though, you can just eat it as it is, or you can turn it into like a pancake type thing. But this is how it looks on the inside when it's ripe. It's very a gooey texture. I'll show you here. Gooey like this, and it's kind of like durian almost, the texture, and it's very sweet, it's very dense. This is the stem. I'm just going to take out. It has these little hair things on there, kind of furry. You don't want to eat that, it's not good. It's really good. Really gooey and sweet. Okay. So today I'm actually going to be eating it with some sriracha because everything tastes good.
I feel nauseous. I feel nauseous. A moment of silence, right? Listen, the studio is so quiet. Like, you can hear a pin drop.
everybody. On that note, I legit don't have nothing to say.
Well, you don't have nothing to say.
I've never seen that happen in my lifetime.
Yeah, but Joel, again, comes back to the power of social media, right? Joel, let's look at some of the positives. We always try to look at the glass half full, Joel. What are some of the positives?
I have to look on the glass half full.
No, look at the glass half full. It's half full right now, Joel. She just taught us some things about breadfruit that we didn't know before, right? We're talking about the power of social media.
What?
Somebody posted a video, and it's not a Jamaican who really know breadfruit, of how we can eat an unroasted, uncooked ripe breadfruit.
I wasn't even thinking about the center part.
While eating off the center with all the heat. Oh my God.
Even open
and she's
it
going to
without-
put sauce on it.
Yes. On that note, can we move into daytime live shoutouts, please?
I would like to shout out the lady who did this video. Yes, shout out to you, Miss Breadfruit Lady. Yes, thanks
All
for
right,
the
I want
knowledge.
to give a big shout out to the Jamaica synchronized swimmers. They're actually in China representing Jamaica. I don't know if I have any. Yes, there they are.
Yay.
They're representing Team Jamaica as a part of a program between Jamaica and China. And they did a
Nice.
friendly and they got 10 gold medals. Yeah, man. Is a team, if me I don't know, synchronized swimming is not easy.
No, it's not easy.
Me can't swim, so kudos to all of them. Me can't swim. Kudos
You're going to
representing Team
river
Jamaica.
tomorrow.
Yeah, me I go
It's
chill.
okay. You don't have to explain. It's okay.